Yeah. I'm okay. Boy, that was some sneeze.
Ay. I'm really sorry, Scooter.
Oh, BJ, you really should cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, sugar. It is the polite thing to do.
Miss Etta is right, BJ. It's very important to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze so you don't share germs with your friends.
Yeah, BJ, it's not nice to share your germs.
You're right, Sissy.
Yeah.
Okay, Barney, next time I'll try to remember to cover my nose and mouth.
Okay, here you go, BJ. This will help. If you feel another sneeze sneaking up on you, just turn your head and sneeze into this.
Okay, thanks, Barney.
You're welcome.
Maybe I should try blowing my nose.
Uh-oh. Oh, look out, everybody!